stop what you're doing, because if this leak is accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro might deliver the biggest camera overhaul in iPhone history, a 25% smaller dynamic island, and a 2nm A20 Pro chip that could redefine mobile performance benchmarks. And here's the real shocker. Apple may still keep the starting price at around $190. The question is simple. Will this be the smartest premium tech investment of 2026? Or should you buy the iPhone 17 Pro now? Let's break down what we know. So far, first, the display. The dynamic island, the design compromise we've all accepted since the iPhone 14 Pro, could shrink by roughly 25%. Leaks suggest it may measure just under 15mm wide. That's a noticeable reduction. The reason? Apple is reportedly moving more Face ID components under the display, including the flood illuminator. The infrared camera may still be visible, so we're not getting a perfect full-screen slab yet. But this is a serious step toward a cleaner, more immersive look. If you care about symmetry and screen real estate, this is a meaningful upgrade value, not just cosmetic polish. Now let's talk about the real headline, the camera system. The iPhone 18 Pro is tipped to introduce a variable aperture on the main sensor. That's DSLR-level control on a smartphone. In practical terms, you could manually adjust how much light enters the lens. Wider aperture for creamy background blur and low light performance. Narrower aperture for sharper landscapes and group shots. Add a wider telephoto aperture into the mix, and zoom photography, especially at night, could see a major leap. This isn't a small tweak. This is Apple stepping closer to professional camera territory. If you create content, shoot social media, or rely on your phone for business visuals, this could dramatically increase the device's real-world investment return. For many users, it might eliminate the need for a secondary camera altogether. That's serious upgrade value. Under the hood, the A20 Pro chip is expected to be built on a 2nm process. That's cutting-edge silicon. Smaller transistors mean better efficiency and more power. Expect faster performance benchmarks, stronger GPU output, and significantly improved on-device AI processing. And here's the key: better battery life. Early rumors suggest even stronger endurance than the iPhone 17 Pro, thanks to efficiency gains and deeper iOS 27 optimization. In plain English, more power, less heat, longer battery. That's the holy trinity of smartphone performance. Design-wise, Apple may refine the Pro aesthetic with a more seamless blend of glass and aluminum. Subtle, but premium. A rumored deep red finish could become the hero color of the lineup. And Apple may simplify camera controls with pressure-sensitive inputs instead of touch gestures, reducing accidental triggers and making the device feel more deliberate and mechanical. Small refinements. Premium execution. Software is another major piece of this puzzle. iOS 27 is expected to push AI deeper into the experience. A smarter Siri could analyze your surroundings through the camera in real time, identifying objects, translating environments, even breaking down meals nutritionally. There's also talk of tighter integration with advanced AI models like Google's Gemini, potentially transforming Siri from a basic assistant into a genuinely conversational tool that matters because AI is becoming a major factor in long-term upgrade value. The smarter your phone gets over time, the longer it stays relevant. Now let's talk price. The iPhone 17 Pro starts at $999, with the Pro Max at $1,199. If Apple keeps the iPhone 18 Pro in that same $999 to $1,199 range, the added camera hardware, 2nm chip, and AI enhancements could make it one of the strongest premium tech investments in recent years. However, if Apple bumps the Pro to $1,099 or pushes the Pro Max toward $1,299, the conversation changes. At that point, buyers will demand clear, measurable performance benchmarks to justify the jump. So here's the verdict. If you're holding an iPhone 16 Pro or older, waiting for the iPhone 18 Pro could be the smarter move. The camera overhaul alone could make it worth the price. The efficiency gains from the A20 Pro chip add long-term value, and the smaller dynamic island improves everyday usability. But if you're using an iPhone 17 Pro, this may feel more like refinement than revolution. In that case, Your upgrade value depends entirely on how much you care about advanced photography and next-gen AI. Bottom line, the iPhone 18 Pro is shaping up to be more than incremental. It's Apple optimizing every layer: display, silicon, camera, and software. If the leaks hold, this could be one of the most balanced premium tech releases in years. Now, the only question is, do you invest early or wait for Apple to reveal its full hand?